In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to accept payments on Shopify, using Shopify payments and manual payment methods. With the right process, you can quickly configure your Shopify store to accept payments from your customers. First, let's focus on Shopify payments. Start by navigating to the Settings option in your Shopify dashboard. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for an option that says Payments and click on it. This should direct you to a new page, the Shopify Payments section to be precise. In the Shopify Payments section, the next step is to click on the button that reads Activate Shopify Payments. Here, Shopify will ask you to provide all the necessary information about your business. The details you should prepare include things like your proprietor type and other relevant details about your business. Immediately after that, you need to furnish Shopify with your bank account details. This is the account where Shopify will send all your payouts from sales. So, rest assured, knowing this process is secure, and all your details will be kept confidential. But bear in mind, there might be additional steps required by Shopify to fully authenticate and confirm the legality of your business. For this reason, be prepared to verify your account by submitting a variety of identity and address documents. After setting up Shopify payments, let's shift focus and get started with manual payments. Similar to the Shopify payments setup, from your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. On the Settings menu, once again select the option that says Payments. Once you're in the Payments menu, search for a section called Manual Payment Methods. In this section, you can choose a manual payment method that suits your business. Options available in this category can include cash on delivery or bank deposit. You're free to select the one that aligns best with your business operations. Having chosen your preferred method, you now need to input instructions your customers will need to follow during the checkout process. These instructions should be detailed and clear, guiding your customers step by step on how to complete their payment manually. Finally, when all needed information is properly filled out, all that is left is for you to click Activate. With this last step, you're all set to start accepting payments on your Shopify store. Both Shopify payments and manual payments methods are now activated and queued up to help streamline your business transactions. In conclusion, setting up payment methods on Shopify is a straightforward and user-friendly process. With this tutorial, you are more than equipped to handle any sort of payment methods on your Shopify store.